Hi teacher, my name is Luis Ronnie Sanchez. On students the university, the UNAD, on students in your telecommunication. My experience, the stage 4. During my life and have been on different places in Colombia for my work. One day, I went to work in Medellin, Antioquia, and with several scholars and compañeros. My experience in city was the we did know the hotel and cost money cost um, but the people for this city hill and we stayed 2 days on 2 days on family home. I hate be too many cities but Medellin in another level is on fort, is on city, on 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 family in city, on homework and family, on the kisses and cordial treaty for on the activities on people, and remember my homework. Now, we'll be seeing here again. Yes, but I hate to go the vacation to finish the Conwheel on the beautiful people, the beautiful place on beautiful people. Thank you, teacher.